Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about AI tools. In this video I am going to show 5 best AI tool like Synthesia.io. Synthesia.io is a robust cloud-based tool that uses AI for creating videos from text input. There are many platforms where you can choose a template type of text in a box and the AI adds music, animations and video effects to create a video. But Synthesia goes a step beyond, featuring human-like avatars that speak your text with lip-syncing and awesome realistic avatars. If you are on a budget and need a Synthesia.io alternative to create a video from text using. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you the top 5 free Synthesia.io alternatives that use AI to help you transform your text into engaging and visually appealing videos. So let's dive in and check out these fantastic tools. Number 5 is DeepBrain AI. DeepBrain AI Studios is the best AI avatar video generation platform with ChatGPT. Simply prepare your script and use your text-to-speech feature to receive your first AI video. In 1 minute you can get hyper-realistic avatar that powered by ChatGPT-powered AI videos for your business. I'm so impressed with the videos generated by DeepBrain AI Studios. They're so lifelike and engaging that they grab the viewer's attention from the start. Features DeepBrain AI multi-language TTS supported. This AI avatars can speak any language with text-to-speech. Create AI videos in English, Spanish, Chinese, German, French, Hindi and more. Various video templates to start from. For built video templates are available for training videos, how-to videos, marketing videos, explainer videos, news videos, hassle-free online video editor. Anyone can quickly create an online video editor. No training required for our easy-to-use drag and drop interface with powerful features such as closed caption backgrounds, soundtracks, cost saving in the entire video production process. Check the description for the link. Pricing of DeepBrain AI. DeepBrain AI have free plan. Ideal plan for those just starting out, $29 a month. Number 4 is Muvio. Muvio is a good Synthesia alternative that uses AI to create a video from text input. This platform features 80+ human avatars, 20+ languages with more than 80 voices, multi-scene videos, 1080p videos, voiceover upload and custom music upload. With Muvio you can create professional quality videos for marketing, sales, training and learning. Simply upload your script. Muvio converts your words into a professional engaging video. You have 100+ templates to start with which you can customize, adding text or others graphic assets. Pricing of Muvio. The free plan allows to create a 1-minute video with all public avatars. Next paid plan is $30 divided by month for 10 minutes video length. Please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with my channel. Number 3 is R1. With R1, you can turn text into video using virtual human avatars. Like many similar services, you can create a video in 3 simple steps. 1. Select a video and template layout to choose a character and voice, and 3. Create and share your video. An amazing feature of our own is Script Wizard that uses GPT-3 to analyze and improve your script with a single mouse click. Features of our own .ai characters library, a dynamic selection of 100+ AI-powered photorealistic, which will humans to narrate your videos. Voice library, voices with a diverse range of tones, cadence and accents, ensuring the perfect vocal combination. Pricing of R1. The free plan offers 3 minutes of video, 6 scenes per video, voices library, 100+ characters, pre-made templates and watermark. Within this plan you can only share your video for more features. The basic plan is $49 divided by month with 18 minutes of published video. Number 2 is Colossian. Colossian is a Synthesia.io free alternative that features 5 human avatars in the free plan. This is more than sufficient for many users when you need to create videos from text scripts using. The free plan includes 5 minutes, 60+ languages, pre-made templates, up to 3 scenes per video, watermark, full commercial license and the possibility to download videos. There is also the option to set a custom scene size, an interesting feature that gets you covered in any site or social media website. The process to create a video is straightforward. This is one of the best platforms available to create a video with human avatars. If you need more features, a paid plan starts at $21 divided by month with 10 minutes month, 15 premium actors and app screen recording and no watermark. Subscribe to my channel for more AI content. Number 1 is Ally.io. Ally.io is an excellent Synthesia.io alternative to consider. This text-to-video platform allows you to build customized videos with a human-like presenter using only text and ChatGPT-3 integration. This cloud-based software supports 65+ languages and custom images. There are also 30 human-like avatars. All features a Lide.io wide range of templates, 65+ languages. Even more voices select from a wide variety of video. Centers enjoy endless stock photos and videos. Apply animation to the whole slider element. Pick some tracks or upload custom music. Upload your own voice. Collaborate with a friend. Turn your presentations into videos. Add smooth transitions to your slides. The Lie offers 1-minute video month and 35 avatars with 1080p videos. If you need more minutes, you should move to a paid plan starting at $29 divided by month with 15 minutes month. No watermark. AutoCAD. Options and the option to upload your voice. As with similar platforms, once you render your video, there is a moderation time before the video arrives in your email inbox. When you need an AI text-to-video platform featuring human avatars, Synthesia.io is one of the best. We hope you found this review informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching.